Hello and thank you for visiting us for network cabling and wiring. A well-planned and professionally installed network cabling and wiring system is crucial for a fast, reliable, and secure IT environment. At PCPlus Networks, we specialize in designing, installing, and managing high-performance cabling and wiring solutions that support data, voice, and power connectivity for businesses of all sizes. Whether you are setting up a new office, upgrading existing infrastructure, or expanding your network, our solutions are built for scalability, efficiency, and long-term reliability. Our network cabling and wiring services include: we provide end-to-end structured cabling solutions that ensure seamless connectivity and performance. This includes high-speed connections for data, VoIP, and video with Cat5e, Cat6, Cat6a, and Cat7 cabling. High-bandwidth solutions for fast and long-distance data transmission with fiber optic cabling, both single and multi-mode. Reliable wiring for networking and communication applications with Ethernet and coaxial cabling, and well-organized patch panel installation and termination to make maintenance and troubleshooting easier. We also offer cable testing and certification, ensuring compliance with TIA, EIA, ANSI, and BIC-C standards. Proper wiring in server rooms and data centers is critical for an efficient and high-performing IT infrastructure. Our services include rack and cabinet installation to organize network and server equipment professionally, cable management and labeling to reduce clutter and make troubleshooting and scalability easier, and power and cooling optimization to ensure maximum efficiency and longevity of your IT systems. For wireless networks, we design wired backbones to improve connectivity. Our services include access point cabling and installation for seamless Wi-Fi coverage, and power over Ethernet wiring to deliver both power and data over a single cable for devices like VoIP phones, security cameras, and access points. Whether you are relocating, expanding, or setting up a new office, we provide customized wiring solutions. This includes comprehensive data and voice cabling installations for new office network setups, transitioning IT infrastructure smoothly during office relocations and rewiring with minimal downtime, and organizing tangled or outdated wiring for better efficiency and airflow with cable cleanup and optimization. We also install structured wiring for security and surveillance systems. This includes CCTV and IP camera wiring for secure video surveillance and remote monitoring, and reliable cabling for entry security and communication with access control and intercom systems. So why choose PCPlus Networks for your network cabling and wiring needs? We offer expert installation and custom design, tailoring wiring solutions based on your business needs. Our high-performance and future-proof infrastructure is scalable to meet growing data demands. We provide certified and compliant installations, ensuring reliability and security. Our neat and professional cable management minimizes downtime and improves maintenance efficiency. Plus, we offer 24/7 support and maintenance with ongoing troubleshooting and optimization services. Build a strong and reliable network with PCPlus Networks. Contact us today for expert network cabling and wiring solutions tailored to your business needs.